Fusion is like building a star on Earth because fusion is the energy that powers the stars. So for us, it just means taking that energy and trying to replicate it on Earth. So one of the challenges in fusion energy is that the star you're trying to confine is actually going to be hotter than the sun. Try and put a star in a box. I mean, the sun is extremely hot. How can you even keep something that hot in some kind of box or contained in any way? I'm Saskia Mordijck. I'm a faculty member in the physics department at William & Mary. The title of my TAC lecture is Here Comes the Sun, Building a Star on Earth. So there are multiple benefits to fusion energy. One is fusion energy uses very little fuel. So for example, we say 1 glass of seawater could power a whole city. So it's very energy dense. Second, it doesn't produce CO2. With everything going on in climate change, we need to reduce the amount of CO2 as humans we put into the atmosphere, and fusion energy could contribute to that. Third, fusion is inherently safe. It doesn't allow for catastrophic runaway type of reactions. So there are 2 camps in fusion. You have fusion never. You have people that believe that fusion is always 50 years, 40 years, 30 years on the horizon and will never be achieved. And then you have those who say that before 2035 we'll have the first fusion power plants. As a scientist, I'm going to be somewhere in the middle of that part. I can see the advances we've made. I also understand enough of all the challenges we still have to understand that getting there before 2035 is very challenging and a fairly high risk. I would like people to come away from the lecture understanding that fusion is an amazing endeavor for humankind and that we've made huge strides forward, but that we still have a way to go before we'll actually see the first fusion power plant. But I know and I trust in the ingenuity of human beings, and where there's going to be a will, there will be a way to develop fusion energy. Energy density and energy abundance is what thrives economic development. And so for us to pursue an energy source that is clean, safe, and abundant would really allow us to develop economically in ways that we can't right now.